You love coffee, but you want something cleaner than a French press, more nuanced than an AeroPress, and easier than a pour-over? Enter the Delter Press. Unlike immersion brewers like Ziff Press or the AeroPress, the Delter Press uses an injection brewing method. That means the coffee grounds are never steeped in the water. They're only extracted as the water is pushed through, which highlights clarity and lowers bitterness. A medium grind is perfect for the Delter Press, something between beach sand and table salt. If you go too fine, you'll find that your coffee is a little bit strong, perhaps bitter. If you go too coarse, you'll find that your coffee can be a little bit weak or insipid. Today, we'll be using 15 grams of coffee, which will result in a nice balanced cup. I'll start off by taking my paper filter. I will place it in my cap, and then I will pre-wet it with boiling water to remove any residual flavor from the paper. With my pre-wet paper here, I will now add 15 grams of coffee into the chamber. I'll take my pre-wet paper and combine, screw on nice and tight. Now I'll flip my Delter over and I want to add 250 mils of water boiling into the reservoir. With that water in the reservoir, I carefully lift up my Delter Press. I grab the cap that is also provided with the Delter Press and I place it inside. This way I can pull up my reservoir plunge. And what I want to do now is gently press my Delter over, say, 15 to 30 seconds. Now, when doing this, you can be as creative as you want. I find that one slow, intermediate push tends to give a nice, even, balanced cup. However, there is a variety of different techniques that you can do at home and you can experiment to either accent your acidity, create more body, create more volume in the cup. Some baristas, some home barista enthusiasts prefer to do pulses. I find that a nice, simple, one push for about 30 seconds tends to work best for me, but I'm also tired in the mornings, so you do as you see fit. You will notice that once you've done the full compression, you still may have a little bit of water in the reservoir. In this case, once again, pull your plunge up and then gently plunge the remainder of the water. Smooth, clean, and full of flavor. No sludge, just a nice, bright, balanced cup. Give it a try, leave us your method in the comments, let us know how you go.